welcome to the online class of Mathematics for Class 4, myself Pallavi Pandey. Today, we are going to study a new chapter, that is chapter 9, fraction. So let us start.
Before starting this chapter, let's understand what is fraction. So, fraction means a part or a fragment. Let's take a circle. Now, let's divide the circle into two equal parts. And now we will shade one part of the circle. In this circle, one part is shaded part and another part is unshaded part. Thus, when we have shaded one part and left the other part, we can say that the first part is equal to the another part. So, we will say that one part out of two parts is taken. Now this time, we will take a circle and now we will divide it into three equal parts. This time we will shade one part. Here one part is shaded and two part is unshaded. So we can say that all the three parts is equal. So one part out of three parts is taken. So we will call 1 by 3 as 1/3. Now this time we have taken a circle and this circle is divided into four equal parts. One part, two part, second, third part and fourth part. Now we will shade one part. So we can say that one part out of four part is taken. So we will read 1 by 4 as 1/4. Now let's understand what is numerator and denominator. A fraction is written with two numerals arranged one over the other and separated by a line. The numeral which is above the line is called numerator and the numeral below the line is called denominator of the fraction. So according to these two lines, any number written one over the another and it is separated by a line. So let's take 2/5. We have taken 2/5 and the next line says that the number which is above the line is known as numerator and the number which is below the line is called denominator. Now let's solve some question. Write the numerator and denominator of each of the following fraction. So the first question is 2/5. So according to the statement we studied before, the number or numeral which is above the line is called numerator and number or numeral which is below the line is called denominator. So 2 is above the line, so it will be numerator and 5 is below the line, so it is known as denominator. Similarly, let's take 6/7. So again 6 is above the line, so it is called numerator and 7 is below the line, so it is called denominator. Now the next question is write the fraction in which numerator is 7, denominator is 9, and this we have to write in the form of fraction. So again, first of all we will make a line because both numbers should be separated by a line. The number which is above the line is numerator and number which is below the line is denominator. So what numerator is given? 7. So we will write 7 above the line. And what denominator is given? So that is 9. So 9 we will write just below the line. So our fraction will be 7/9. Now, the next is denominator is 5 and numerator is 4. Again we will make a line and then the number which is above the line is known as numerator and the number which is below the line is called denominator. So what numerator is given? So it is 4. So we will write 4 at numerator place. And what denominator is given? So that is 5. So we will write 5 at denominator place. Now, what is like and unlike fraction? Fraction with same denominator are called like fraction. For example, what is like and unlike fraction? fraction with same denominator are called like fraction. For example, 2 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9. In all these fractions, we can say that all the fractions have same denominator, that is 9. So, the fractions with same denominator are called like fraction. No matter whether their numerator is same or different. But if the denominator is same, then the given fraction will be like fraction. Now, what is unlike fraction? The fraction with different denominator are called unlike fraction. For example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 7, they are unlike fraction. Why? Because their denominator are different. Here it is 2, here it is 4, now 8 and 7. All the denominator are different. So, the given fraction is unlike fraction. Now we will study how to arrange the given fraction into ascending and descending order. So the first rule is, out of the fraction with same denominator, the one having a smaller numerator is smaller than the other. Now let's understand this statement with the help of an example. So here we have 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 1 upon 7, 4 upon 7. So we have to arrange this into ascending order. So what we will do? According to the rule, if the denominator is same, so yes, all the denominator are same. One having a smaller numerator is smaller. So among all the fraction, which fraction has a smaller numerator? So yes, 1 upon 7 has a smaller numerator. So we will arrange in the following manner. 1 upon 7. Then what will come? 3 upon 7. After that, 4 upon 7. And then 5 upon 7. So we will arrange the given fraction in the ascending order in the following manner. Out of the fraction, 1 upon 7 had smaller numerator, so it will be the smaller fraction. Now, same thing will be applied for descending order also. If 1 upon 7 is smaller, then 5 upon 7 will be the greater fraction. Now, second rule says that out of the fraction with same numerator, the one having smaller denominator is greater than the other. Now in this case, all the numerator will be same and denominator will be different. So let's take the example. 9 upon 7, 9 upon 5, 9 upon 11, 9 upon 13. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. So according to the rule, out of the fraction with same numerator, so yes, all the numerator are same. One having a smaller denominator is greater than the other. It means that fraction which has smaller smaller denominator will be the greater fraction. So among all the four fractions, 9 upon 5 has smaller denominator, so it will be the greater fraction, and that which had greater denominator, it will be smaller fraction. So 9 upon 13, then come 9 upon 11, after that 9 upon 7, and then 9 upon 5. So we will arrange the given fraction into ascending order in the following manner. Now arrange in descending order. So here 7 upon 9, 1 upon 9, 4 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. So in this, all the numerator is different but all the denominator are same. So according to the rule, what the rule says, if all the denominator are same, the one having a smaller numerator is smaller than the other, and ascending order means from smaller to greater. So first of all, we will see which numerator or which fraction has a smaller numerator. So yes, it is clear 1 upon 9 has a smaller numerator. So 1 upon 9 will be the smallest number. After that, which number is greater than 1 upon 9? So it is 4 upon 9. So we will write 4 upon 9. After that, what will come? 5 upon 9, and at last 7 upon 9. Hope you understood this point. Now, in this question, all the numerator is same and the denominator is different. So, in this, what the rule says, out of the two fraction or more fraction with the same numerator, the one having a smaller denominator is greater than the another. According to the rule, the fraction which has a smaller denominator will be the greater fraction. So which among all the four fraction has a smaller denominator? So yes, it is 2 upon 3. So it will be the greatest fraction. And the fraction which has greatest denominator, that will be the smallest fraction. So that is 2 upon 9. So how we will arrange in ascending order? So 2 upon 9. After that, what will come? 2 upon 7. Then 2 upon 5. And at last 2 upon 3. Now we will study how to arrange in descending order. Again the same rule will apply. The number, if the denominators are same, then the number with smaller numerator or the fraction with smaller numerator will be the smaller fraction. So descending order means from greater to smaller. So which number has greater numerator? So that is 6 upon 7. So 6 upon 7. After that, what will come? 4 upon 7. After that, 3 upon 7. Next, 2 upon 7. And at last, 1 upon 7. Now next, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 12. In this, all the numerator is same but all the denominator is different. So according to the rule, if numerator is same and denominator is different, then the number with smaller or the fraction with smaller denominator is the greatest number, and the fraction with greater denominator is a smaller fraction. So which fraction has smaller denominator? So yes, that is 1 upon 3. So how we will write? 1 upon 3, then 1 upon 6, after that 1 upon 9, and after and last 1 upon 12. Now we will study how to find the sum of given fraction. So in this question, it is clear that 1 upon 6 and 3 upon 6 both the denominator is same. So which type of fraction it is? So yes, it is a like fraction. So both the denominator is same, thus we will take 6 as common and then 1 plus 3. Now 3 plus 1, what will we get? 4 upon 6. So our answer will be 4 upon 6. It means when we will add 1 upon 6 and 3 upon 6, what the answer will come? 4 upon 6. There might be some doubts, so let's clear this doubt by taking another example. Now this time we have 4 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 2 upon 15. Again it is a like fraction. Why? Because all the denominator is same. So what we will do? We will take 15 as common. Then 4 plus 7 plus 2. Now let's add. So 4 plus 7 plus 2, what we will get? 13. And 13 upon 15. Thus when we will add 4 upon 15, 7 upon 15 and 2 upon 15, we will get 13 upon 15. Same thing we will do for finding the difference also. Again it is a like fraction. Why? Because denominator are same. So 7 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8, what we will get? So let's check the answer. The denominator is same, so we will take 8 as common. Now 7 minus 3. So when we will subtract 3 from 7, what we will get? 4. So 4 upon 8. Again to clear our doubt, let's take another example. Same thing we will do to find the difference also. So the given question is also a like fraction. It is an example of like fraction. Why? Because the denominator is same. So when we will subtract 3 by 8 from 7 upon 8, what we will get? Let's check. So 8 is common in both the fraction. So we will take 8 as a common. Now 7 minus 3. Now when we will subtract 3 from 7, what we will get? 4 and then upon 8. So when we will subtract 3 upon 8 from 7 upon 8, we will get 4 upon 8. Hope you understood up to this point whatever I have taught. So on the basis of this only, try to solve the rest of the question from your book.
Thank you all for watching and listening this video.